Hi, I'm Lauren Marie. Hi, I'm Lauren Marie. I got into acting because I like to endure challenges. I like to, no, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. John, you're gonna have to maybe follow me. I'm sorry. Every night I put these what are they called? Cucumbers on my eyes, and they are amazing. I'm humble, I'm always nice to people, I'm a selfless person. Michael, get off that Xbox and do your homework. You have no idea how hard I struggle to look this cute. What are these wires for? Hi, I'm Lauren Marie, and I'm the one that you need for your next project.